The idea is how can be involved in this project, if it is possible. Of course it is. Basically, it's, here you have a simple scheme of what the project running, working. The idea is when you have this system with meters installed and you have collected the data, and we question how we can handle with this a lot of information, and I know a lot of alarms and warnings and so on. The idea is, okay, deliver the data to us and I put it in the iSERV and it's running. We can make some nice reports and opportunities of save energy you have, and benchmarks. Usually, this project starts in the simple way. You have the building, you have the device installed, the meters, and you have the records. And then you have an Excel sheet. It's this Excel sheet is perhaps will be, I don't know if it's true or not, but CIMSA and Riva is here. If it's not true, they told the opposite. I say perhaps they think to make a standard based on this. Oh, it's true because they don't move a lot. Okay, could be something like that. In this moment, they try to do something in this. They're waiting for the results. Got the results. After that, perhaps we move for a standard. Really? Yes. This worksheet is boring, but we would like to help you to fulfill our requests for them. After that, this is the source for the process. It's easy, yes.
If you just go back to the spreadsheet.
Yeah.
That spreadsheet, when I talked about the one-off cost, that's the big cost. This is the bit that's the hurdle to get over, and were it to be done commercially, that's where the expense.
This is why our team tried to do to help the other building owners be involved in projects. Some of you are in projects and you know how it's difficult to fulfill our request. This is why we need to discuss the cost of the project with us, okay?
But
later on.
Before you go off it.
Yeah.
The only other, and he's about to show you how it all connects now, the one thing that we have found across all of Europe is the vast majority of people have no idea what they have in their buildings, where they serve, or how they're meant to work. So whilst this spreadsheet, and that's why this spreadsheet has been so difficult to fill in, because you give it to, oh, tell us what you've got.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This project is very funny because at the beginning everybody would like to be involved and say, yes, I would like to be, it's fantastic. Do you have this? And the blueprints, do you have the information about your system? Oh, everything is there. When you pick up the things, nothing is there. And they have monitoring device installed, they don't know where it's connected. Or the physical install it, but really don't pick up any information from there. And this is very good for building owners because realize the maintenance team is not doing anything right because they've forgotten things. Okay, the basic you need to have it's meters, the meters and the equipment, of course, and the space, because always you connect the meters to the space, and after that you try to benchmarks accounts the space. Okay, the integration is simple. The idea is try to connect the energy consumption directly to the equipments and the space at the same time. Of course, chillers and other equipments are connected itself and goes to the air conditioning system, HVAC system, as we decide is based in the iSERV project. Okay, many HVAC systems, and finally these systems feed the different space. And the idea is try to translate this real information to the Excel sheet. After that, the database is able to absorb all information come from the data that you collect. Okay, this is another one. And important, it's necessary to establish a relation between energy consumption and HVAC component. The idea is try, okay, usually you have electric meters, but you can have also small equipment like CO2 recorder or temperature recorder or something like that. You can use it also, implement on this project also. And the level of the report you can come out from the database depends how deep is your analysis in terms of meters installed. Okay, this is basic. This information is all available in our web server, and you can download it. And finally, this is more important. If you have a few equipment, you will have a few analyses. But if you have more detail, you can go more deeper on the analysis at the end. You have nice reports. Okay, the team you already know. All information is out there. And if you don't have any questions,